Hey guys, welcome back to Cozy English Corner. I'm Sarah, and I'm really glad you're here with us today. There's something special about quiet evenings like this.
And I'm Sam. If you're listening after a long day, this episode is for you. Let's slow things down together.
Evenings at home feel different from mornings, don't they? The energy changes. The rush slowly fades away.
Yes, the day finally lets go of you, and you don't have to hold yourself together anymore.
I think quiet evenings feel honest. You're not performing for anyone, you're just being yourself.
Listener, maybe you've just come home from work or college. Maybe you dropped your bag on the floor and sat down without saying a word.
That moment when you sit for the first time, your body feels heavy, but in a comforting way.
Sometimes we don't even change clothes right away. We just sit there, letting the tiredness catch up.
I love turning on a small lamp instead of the main light. Soft light feels kinder at night. Bright lights feel like too much.
Soft lights make the room feel safe, like the house understands your mood, like it's telling you to rest.
Quiet evenings make small habits feel meaningful. Making a cup of tea, filling a bottle with water.
Not because you're thirsty, but because the action itself is calming. It gives your hand something gentle to do.
Listener, maybe you're sitting on your bed right now, or lying on the sofa, letting the ceiling hold your thoughts.
Quiet evenings bring thoughts we didn't hear all day. When things slow down, the mind starts speaking softly.
Sometimes those thoughts are peaceful. Sometimes they feel a little heavy, and sometimes they don't make sense at all.
And that's okay. You don't need to organize your thoughts tonight. You can just let them pass.
I like doing small chores in the evening. Nothing big, just folding clothes or washing a few dishes.
Those simple movements calm the mind. There's no pressure to finish everything. You stop when you feel like stopping.
Quiet evenings also make silence feel friendly, not awkward, not lonely.
The silence feels full, like the house is breathing with you, like you're not alone, even if you are.
Sometimes, though, quiet evenings bring loneliness too. When the day ends, feelings can show up quietly.
Yes, and it's okay to feel that. Loneliness doesn't mean something is wrong.
Listener, if you feel a little lonely right now, just know you're not the only one. Many people feel this way in the evening.
You don't have to push the feeling away. You can sit with it gently, like sitting beside a quiet friend.
I think quiet evenings teach us something important, that rest is not a reward, it's a need.
You don't have to earn rest. You don't have to be productive right now. Being here is enough.
Sometimes I put my phone away in the evening, not forever, just for a little while.
Letting your eyes rest, letting your mind wander slowly. The world can wait.
Quiet evenings remind me that life doesn't always need noise. It doesn't always need plans. Sometimes stillness is enough.
Yes, being home, being safe, being calm.
Listener, if today was a long day, it's okay to let it end quietly. You don't need to carry it into the night.
Let this evening be gentle. Let tomorrow take care of itself. You've done enough today.
Thank you for spending this quiet moment with us. We really appreciate you being here.
Take care of yourself tonight. Be soft with your thoughts.
See you in the next episode.